Just sit right back in your hero tail. The wind is very violent, folks. And the good thing is, we have still power. Holy Moses. Oh! This is a giant squall. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. But look. I don't want to put the camera up the other way because rain will get into it. But this is Isaac. I guess this is probably about 70 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour. Here we go. Woo! He is blowing like a motherfucker. He is blowing really, really hard. Wow. Whoa. Well, here it is. We're after 3. He's blowing really hard.